Welcome students, welcome in our e-learning classes of Bowdoin Model School. Students, today I will solve question number 3 of exercise 8.2, that is quadrilateral. ABCD is a ABCD is a rectangle, ABCD is a rectangle and PQRS are the midpoint of AB, BC, CD and AD. Okay, now we have to prove that PQRS is a rhombus. So PQRS is a rhombus means if we are able to prove, we will be able to prove that all the sides are equal, that is PQ equal to QR equal to SR, then you can say that it is a rhombus. First of all, to solve this question, we need to draw the diagonal, that is AC and BD. And one important thing is that AC and BD are equal. Why? Because they are diagonals of a rectangle. As they are diagonals of the rectangle, we know that length of the diagonals, two diagonals are equal. That's why AC equal to BD. First of all, students, we are taking triangle ACD. Okay, triangle ACD, that is ABD. First taking ABD. In triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, PS half of BD, PS equal to half of BD and PS parallel to BD. That is why midpoint theorem, PS parallel to BD and PS equal to half of BD. Now in triangle BDC, in triangle BDC, RQ equal to half of BD and RQ parallel to BD. Why these two are equal? Because by midpoint theorem you can say that P and S are the midpoint. That's why PS parallel to BD, and in the using same reason you can say RQ parallel to BD and RQ equal to half of BD. So from these two lines you can conclude that PS equal to RQ, PS equal to RQ and PS parallel to U. Just I am writing these two equations in a box. Okay, that will help you later. Okay. Now one thing it is clear, I have told you earlier that AC equal to BD. Why AC equal to BD? Because AC and BD are the diagonals of a rectangle and rectangle diagonals are equal. That's why I am writing here AC equal to BD. Now in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, that is SR equal to half of AC and SR equal to SR parallel to AC. Because by midpoint theorem, MPT means midpoint theorem, because S and R are the midpoint and triangle ACD, SR parallel to AC. And next, using as one thing students, in place of AC you can write BD, because you know that SR, AC and BD are equal, so SR equal to half of BD. Okay, just giving a box in this equation also, SR equal to 1/2 AC. Next, in triangle ABC, okay, in triangle ABC, just two lines to group. ABC, PQ parallel to PQ, first of all PQ equal to half of AC and PQ parallel to AC. Okay, PQ parallel to AC. So it means in that case also, but first of all, why these two are equal? MPT, triangle ABC, ABC, P and Q are the midpoints and PQ parallel to AC and PQ equal to half of BC. So, and in this case also, in place of PQ you can write BD. Sorry, in place of AC. So giving that equation also in a box. And student, don't forget that if you write here PQ parallel to BD, that will be wrong, because in case of equality you can use it, but in case of parallel, to prove the parallelism, that will be not sure. It may or may not be, but it's better to avoid it. So PQ equal to 1/2 AB. Now just look at the three box. PS equal to half of BD, RQ equal to half of BD, SR equal to half of BD and PQ equal to half of BD. All these 4 line segments are equal to BD. It means they are equal themselves. So PS equal to RQ equal to SR equal to PQ. PS equal to RQ equal to SR equal to PQ. So they are equal themselves. So all the sides are PS equal to RQ equal to PQ equal to SR. So all sides are equal. So ABCD is a rhombus. So PQRS is a rhombus. PQRS is a rhombus. Okay. So this proof totally. This proof is proved by totally using midpoint theorem, taking by 4 triangles ABD, ABC, ADC, and BCD. And one thing I have used, that is diagonals are equal, because already ABCD is given is that quadrilateral is already a rectangle, and rectangles diagonals are equal. By using that 2 statements we can prove this. So students, I hope this is clear to you. If you have any problem regarding this video or any other video, you can ask me in the e-portal in our Bardhan Model School, and be regular in e-portal. Every day I am trying to give some practice work and solve this practice work that will enrich your study, enrich your skill in mathematics. Thank you, students.